Man, it's so beautiful out here, man. Look how it is in Chicago. Man, it's so beautiful. Man, y'all see how the snow coming down? God damn, I'm loving it. This what Chicago's all about, y'all. God damn, it's fucking beautiful out here. You see that motherfucking snow? Damn, let it rain. So motherfucking beautiful, man. God damn, quiet. Well, I'm going to a game right now. Shit, it's Chicago. Do's and don'ts. If you don't know about these do's and don'ts, don't go to the motherfucking. Don't go to no game where they'll pop your motherfucking ass. You don't know nothing about it. Especially if you in the fucking wrong ass area. Well, you cool because you with Bill, man. Bill ain't on that shit, man. I'm just enjoying this beautiful ass snow. Shit, god damn, it's so fucking beautiful. Man. Of course, I just came on to give me some squares from a loose spot. It's all good. I'm just enjoying this beautiful ass snow, man. God damn, it's so fucking beautiful. Damn. Y'all see this shit, man? It's so fucking beautiful, man. Y'all see how this snow coming down? What a beautiful day it is in Chicago on this beautiful motherfucking night. Friday night. Uh. Yeah, I'm going through another cut, do's and don'ts. Can't be going through these cuts. They might got dogs. Unless you know what cuts to go through, because I damn sure know what cuts to go through. I ain't gonna lie. I kid you not. Oh, you gotta be careful because it be a pit bull right here. I'm gonna be barking too. You try to tear your line out your ass. So beautiful. You can guess what block I'm on. Y'all be all right. Ooh, black ice out here too. That dog ain't out here, so. Man, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Man, it's so beautiful. God damn, how beautiful it is. Y'all see this shit? This Chicago. We in Chicago, nigga. You talking about Queen City, nigga. We in Chicago, nigga. This what motherfucker do in Chicago. Yeah, man, it's beautiful, man. This motherfucker out here beautiful. Snowing this motherfucking ass off. So motherfucking beautiful. God damn. Man, we want to smoke a square out here in this shit. That's that beautiful it is. Man, if I might smoke my black. Wish I could turn around so you could see. But I can't. Dang. Beautiful as hell out here, man. Damn, it's so beautiful. Mm. Chicago, nigga. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, what a beautiful day. God damn. So motherfucking beautiful. I don't even want to stop the view. But I got to for a minute. It's a beautiful motherfucking day. I'll catch up with y'all in 1 minute. It's beautiful out here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Beautiful night in Chicago. Damn, so beautiful. don't even do blogs, but I should do a blog on how beautiful it is when it snows. Man, Chicago is so beautiful covered in white. Mm. It's a beautiful day in Chicago. Should did this on Christmas. And we got a beautiful city when it snows. It's quiet too. Ain't too many motherfuckers outside. That's the only time Chicago be safe. But you know, you still got killers out here. They can give a fuck on. They motherfuckers get the cracking in Chicago. They don't give a fuck cause it's snowing. If they want you and you lacking, they'll get you. But I don't be around nobody that violence and they looking for.